Morning, children. We have completed difficult words, reading and writing, and lesson explanation is over. Now we have to write the meanings. It can be a small class of 20 minutes where we write the meanings and read them 2-3 times. And you are going to write them 2 times in your notebook without fail. Okay, let us start. Marching to freedom. And we are writing meanings. First, queried, questioned. Queried means questioned. Second one, killing time. Means wasting time. Very few meanings are there. Unfair, not right. Nervously, worried and heightened mood. Fifth, eagerly, curiously. Eagerly, curiously. Next, digging up, taking out. Digging up means taking out. Next, refused means not agreed. Not agreed. Refused means not agreed. Skipping, jumping. Skipping, jumping. So let us read these meanings now. Queried means questioned or asked questions. Queried means asked questions. Queried means asked questions. Queried means asked questions. Killing time means wasting time. Killing time means wasting time. Killing time means wasting time. Unfair means not right. Unfair means not right. Unfair means not right. Nervously means in a worried and frightened mood. 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 Eagerly means curiously. Eagerly means curiously. Eagerly means curiously. Digging up means taking out. Digging up means taking out. Digging up means taking out. Refused means not agreed. Refused means not agreed. Refused means not agreed. Skipping means jumping. Okay, next one. You are writing them 2 times each in your notebook. Hello. Next we are going to write stroked means patted. Stroked means patted. Stroked means patted. Stroked means patted. Exactly means very correctly. Exactly means definitely also we can, surely also. Exactly means very correctly, simple way you can remember. Exactly, very correctly. Exactly, very correctly. Full of activity means busy. Full of activity. Full of activities means busy. Full of activities means busy. So, stroked, patted. Stroked means patted. Stroked means patted. Stroked means patted. Exactly, very correctly. Exactly, very correctly. Exactly, very correctly. Full of actions. Sorry. Full of activities means busy. Full of activities means busy. Full of activities means busy. March. Marching means moving. March means here not the month. To move. March means to move or to walk. Understand? March means to move or to walk. Frowned. To walk. Frowned means said excitedly. Said excitedly. అంటే గట్టిగా ఒకేసారి లక్ష్యం ఎందుకు ఇట్లా చేస్తారు అని అరుస్తారు కదా, దట్ టైమ్ ఇన్ ఏ యాంగ్రీ మూడ్. సెడ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్లీ. Next, tax. Tax is the money which we pay to the government. Money paid to be paid. Money to be paid to the government. Okay. Stroked, patted. Stroked, patted. Patted with love somebody. On head, on back. Stroked, patted. Exactly, very correctly. Exactly, very correctly. Full of activities, busy. Full of activities means busy. March means to move or to walk. March means to move or to walk. Frowned means said excitedly. Frowned means said or spoke excitedly. Tax means money to be paid to government. Tax means money to be paid to government. So these are the meanings. Please read them and write them in your notebook 2 times each. Please write them 2 times in your notebook. And lesson I am going to read. Please take out the textbook. You are going to read the lesson also. Okay? Page number 45. Open it and listen to me. Dhani and his parents lived in Mahatma Gandhi's ashram, Sabarmati ashram. Dhani used to take care of Binni, one of the ashram's goats. Binni was his best friend and he liked talking to her. The ashram had become very noisy and full of activity in the past few days. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram. That morning, as Dhani fed Binni, he said, "Something is going on, Binni. They all keep discussing something. They are planning something, I know it." Dhani went to his mother and asked, "Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere?" His mother said, "He is going on a march." "March? Where is he going?" Dhani queried. Dhani's mother thought that he was only killing time. She said, "Stop asking questions and let me do my work." Dhani went to the vegetable garden where old Binda was digging up potatoes. Binda Chacha, Dhani sat beside him. "Are you going on the march too?" Binda nodded his head. Nodded means mood. Mood. Up and down. Nodded his head. Moved his head up and down. Yes, like this we say now. Dhani eagerly asked, "Where are you all going?" Binda stopped digging and told him about the march. Gandhiji and some people from the ashram were going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They would walk for a whole month. Once they reached Dandi, they would make salt. So one page I read today, you are also going to read this page. Tomorrow, before giving anything else, I read the next page. You please read it. So here we stop, children. Thank you very much.